Welcome guys, if you want to buy any games on this device, the first you have to open the store. Next, let's go for the pricing and let's get games under 10 bucks, for example, and we can get the Among Us. So click on it. Let's mute this video. Okay, we have to go for this price, so click on it once, and as you can see we can find here a few payment methods. The first, we can add the credit or the debit card. So when you select this method, you have to add the card number, date, security code, country, state and the zip code. And when you input all of this data from your card, you have to click right here to add payment method. In my case, it's not available because I'm not gonna input my stuff right here. That's very obvious. The second method is to add the PayPal account. For sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi, and right here you have to just log in with your PayPal account, and after that you will be able to pay from this option. And the last one is to simply use this Oculus application on your App Store or the Google Play Store device. I mean the Android device with the Google Play Store or iPhone with the App Store, and you can just pay by using your account. So with the Google account, when you add the payment method, or the App Store. So yeah, that's how you can buy the games on this device. And if you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.